Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 308 in the Allure specification. So this is a two-owner vehicle that comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. It has a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done under 35,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.